Hello friends and welcome to Pendulum IAS. Today we will be discussing UPSC Current Affair Quiz of 15 June 2020. And first of all, if you have not subscribed to our channel Pendulum IAS, please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the session. First question is, consider the following statements. Challenger Deep is the deepest point in the Earth's ocean. Second, Kathy Sullivan is the first woman to reach the deepest point in the ocean. Which of the above given statements is or are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is both one and two. Recently, Kathy Sullivan has become the first woman to reach the deepest point in the ocean. She has also become the fifth person to achieve this. Kathy Sullivan, she is an astronaut and oceanographer, the only person on the earth who has worked in space as well as has descended to the Challenger Deep. Therefore, statement 2 is correct. Challenger Deep is the deepest point in the Earth's oceans with a depth of about 11,000 meters, and it is located in the Mariana Trench in the Western Pacific Ocean. You can see the location of Challenger Deep. It is in Mariana Trench, that is in Western Pacific Ocean. Therefore, statement 1 is also correct. The first dive at Challenger Deep was made in 1960 by Lieutenant Don Walsh and Swiss scientist Jacques Piccard on a submersible called Trieste. Hence, the correct answer is option C. Moving to the next question. What is iFlows that has been recently in the news? It is an integrated flood warning system for Mumbai. It is a system used for rainwater harvesting designed by IIT Madras engineers. It is a machine to increase the test for COVID-19, or it is an initiative of the government to ensure piped water supply to all rural households. So the correct answer is option A, that is it is an integrated flood warning system for Mumbai, and an initiative of government to ensure pipe water supply to all rural households. It is a Jal Jeevan mission. iFlows is an integrated flood warning system for Mumbai that will provide protection to Mumbaikars by reducing the intensity of the flooding. This system has been developed by using the in-house expertise of the Ministry of Earth Sciences. This warning system will be able to raise alerts of possible flood 3 days before. The system comprises 7 modules including data assimilation, flood, inundation, vulnerability, risk, dissemination module and decision support system. Mumbai is the second city after Chennai to install such a system. Hence, the correct answer is option A. Moving to the next question. It is a National Geoheritage Monument and is saline water lake. It is located in Maharashtra and was created by a meteorite strike. It is famous as the world's largest basaltic impact crater. The lake lies within the only extraterrestrial impact crater found within the Deccan Traps. Which of the following lakes has been best described in the above given passage? Ramgarh Lake, Lonar Lake, Vena Lake and Shiv Sagar Lake. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is Lonar Lake. Recently, the color of water in Lonar Lake has turned pink, as you can see in the figure. The presence of salinity and algae could be the possible reason for this change. Lonar Lake is located in Maharashtra and was created around 50,000 years ago after a meteorite hit the Earth's surface. It was declared a Natural Geoheritage Monument in 1979 by Geological Survey of India. The lake has saline water with a pH of around 10.5. It is famous as the world's largest basaltic impact crater. The lake lies within the only known extraterrestrial impact crater found within the Deccan Traps. Hence, the correct answer is B. Moving to the next question. What is the purpose of the recently launched robot Captain Arjun? It will assist medical staff in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. It will screen passengers while they board the train. It will act as surveillance to keep an eye on antisocial elements, both B and C. So, the correct answer is option D, that is both B and C. A robot, Captain Arjun, always be responsible and just used to be nice, has been launched by Railway Protection Force of Pune Central Railways to increase the screening and surveillance. The robot has been deployed for multiple uses including thermal screening of passengers while they board trains and keeping an eye on antisocial elements. A motion sensor, one PTZ camera and one dome camera are installed on this robot. The camera uses AI to track suspicious activity. The robot is also equipped with a sensor-based sanitizer, mask dispenser and an inbuilt siren. If the temperature is higher than the normal range, the alarm is raised. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Moving to the next question, which of the following committees has been constituted by RBI to review ownership of private banks. P.K. Mohanty Committee, Jaya Jaitley Committee, Rakesh Mohan Committee, and none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, that is P.K. Mohanty Committee. Recently, RBI has constituted an internal working group to review the ownership and corporate structure of private sector banks. RBI Executive Director P.K. Mohanty will head this working group. The committee will examine the existing licensing guidelines and regulations on ownership and control of private sector banks. The committee will also review the eligibility criteria for individuals and entities to apply for banking license. The promoter shareholding norms at the initial licensing stage will also be reviewed by the committee. The guidelines regarding ownership will be examined as large shareholders of private sector banks have asked for RBI's permission to increase their stakes to more than 15%, which is the permissible limit. According to the bank's licensing rules, a private bank's promoter has to lower shareholding to 40% within 3 years, 20% in 10 years, and to 15% in 15 years. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Moving to the next question. What is the aim of Sehkar Mitra program launched by the Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? To provide essential medicines related to COVID-19 to rural migrants, to provide jobs to the rural migrants during the lockdown, to provide paid internship to youth, to provide loans to street vendor. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is to provide paid internship to youth. And to provide loans to street vendors, PM Savanidhi Yojana was launched. The Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has launched Sehkar Mitra scheme on internship program. It is an initiative of National Cooperative Development Corporation NCDC that aims to provide paid internships to youth. The scheme will assist cooperative institutions in accessing new and innovative ideas, while the youth will gain working experience, thereby giving them the confidence to be self-reliant. All professional graduates in agriculture and allied areas, IT, etc., and the professionals who are pursuing or have completed their MBA in agribusiness, corporation, finance, international trade, forestry, rural development, etc., will be eligible for the scheme. Each intern will be given financial support during the 4-month internship period. Hence, the correct answer is option A. So friends, here we have covered the daily current affair quiz of 15 June. I hope you liked this session. Please like it and share it as much as you can. And if you have any doubt, you can mention that in comment box and keep following our daily current affair quiz. Thank you so much.